Hi guys, so today I'm working on an Audi S4, the 3.0 supercharged model. Um, I have four chuck to replace, two in the front, two in the back. So first step, you want to remove the wheels. After you remove the wheels, you have to remove the chuck absorber, that part, both. It's 18 millimeter with a nut. You remove that. After you have the bolt from the link kit to remove, that is also attached to that part. After that, usually you have to remove that bolt, but it always seized, so I decided to remove the controller instead. So this is two bolts with some nuts. You have a 16 millimeter. After that, you have another bolt that was attached to the chuck directly and the lower part of the chuck. This is also 18. There's a nut in the back and then a bolt in the front. Like I said, it was 18. Some use the special tool for to split the chuck, but I use a Allen key, a regular Allen key that I'm just turning to make some space between that to remove the chuck. After doing that, on the bottom, you have four bolts at the top. 1, 2. You have to remove the grill, that grill. So like I said, there's four bolts, 1, 2, and under the grill there's one there, and the other one is hide. You cannot see it, right there. And on the other side, same thing of that side. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after, you just have to compress your spring, replace the chuck, and that will be good. Like, if you have this spring compressor, is the best, but sometimes you don't have it, so just use what you have and that'll be done. In the rear, I might do another video to make the replacement of the rear. So thanks for watching guys, subscribe, have a nice day.